Hello, everyone. Welcome to English, the place where learning English stops feeling like school and starts feeling like an adventure. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a brand new world. If you really listen with your heart, this could be the exact moment that changes everything for you. I'm here to tell you something that almost nobody else has the courage to say. Something that can light a huge fire inside your soul. Let me ask you one simple question. Are you truly happy with your life right now? If tomorrow was your last day, would you feel proud of everything you've done? If your honest answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. Because here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Your life will never change by accident. Luck won't save you. The dreams you have will only come true when you decide to fight for them.
Stop hiding behind excuses. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. Listen carefully. Excuses are just lies you tell yourself to stay comfortable and avoid responsibility. Do you know why most people never succeed? It's not bad luck. It's not because they're not smart. It's because they never take action. They just sit and complain instead of fixing their problems. Do you think successful people had an easy life? Let me tell you about Oprah Winfrey. She was born into poverty, faced terrible hardships, and people told her she would never make it. But she ignored the haters. She worked hard, stayed focused, and today she's one of the most powerful and loved people on the planet. So what's really stopping you? Nothing, except the voice in your head. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. And imagine your dream life. You wake up in a beautiful house, the home you always wanted. Outside, there's a shiny car with your name on it. Your parents are smiling because they never have to worry about money again. You took care of them. You gave them the peaceful, happy life they dreamed of when they worked so hard to raise you. Now, open your eyes. Does that life feel impossible? It's not. It's 100% possible, but only if you commit to changing today. Your habits decide your future. Let's be totally honest. Right now, your daily habits are either building your dreams or destroying them. If you spend hours every day watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or playing games, you are throwing away your future, 1 minute at a time. Time is the most precious thing you have. Every second you waste is gone forever. Successful people treat time like gold. They read books, learn new skills, and work on their goals while everyone else is wasting the day. Now think about your parents for a moment. Your mother carried you for 9 months. She gave up sleep, comfort, and many of her own dreams just to bring you into this world. Your father worked long, tiring days to put food on the table and give you a chance at a better life. Now it's your turn. What are you doing to make them proud? Don't you want to see pure joy on your mother's face when you hand her the keys to her dream home? Don't you want tears of happiness in your father's eyes when you say, "Dad, you never have to work again. I've got this"? Success is not just about money. It's about giving the people you love peace, safety, and pride. But success demands sacrifice. It's not easy. It means waking up early when you want to stay in bed. It means studying or working when your friends are out having fun. It means saying no to distractions and yes to discipline
every single day.
There's a famous story. A young man asked a wise teacher, "How can I become truly successful?" The teacher took him to the ocean, walked him into the water, and suddenly pushed his head under. The young man fought, kicked, and finally came up gasping for air. The teacher looked at him and said, "When you want success as badly as you just wanted that breath, then you will have it. So tell me, how badly do you want it?" Surround yourself with winners. Look at your friends. Do they push you to be better, or do they pull you down? If the people around you are negative, lazy, or always complaining, you will slowly become exactly like them. Choose your circle carefully. Spend time with people who inspire you, challenge you, and believe in big dreams, even if that means leaving some old friends behind. Your future is worth more than their opinions. Believe in yourself. This is the most important part.
No one else will believe in you until you believe in yourself first. The world is full of doubters who will say you're not good enough. Prove them wrong. You have unlimited potential inside you right now. Failure is not the end, it's the beginning. Michael Jordan, maybe the greatest basketball player ever, was cut from his high school team. Did he quit? No. He practiced harder, longer, and became a legend. Every failure is just a lesson in disguise. Take time for silence. The world is so noisy. Social media, work, responsibilities, everything screams for your attention. But when was the last time you sat quietly and asked, "What do I really want?" Spend a few minutes every day in total silence. Breathe deeply. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and say out loud, "I am amazing. I am capable of great things. I am unstoppable." It might feel strange at first, but your mind believes what you repeat. Stop feeding it, "I can't," and start feeding it, "I can." Visualize your dreams every day. Close your eyes and see your future in full color. Your dream job, your beautiful home, traveling the world with the person you love. If you can see it clearly in your mind, you can make it real in your life. But dreaming is not enough. You must take action today. Control your mind, control your life. Negative thoughts will try to take over. "I'm not good enough. I'll never make it." When they come, stop them immediately and say, "No, I choose positive thoughts. I choose solutions." Start small, dream big. Big goals can feel scary, but every huge success is built from tiny, daily steps. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes of exercise today. Want perfect English? Learn just 5 new words every day. Want to save money? Put away $10 this week. Small steps plus consistency equals massive results. Be your own biggest fan. Stop waiting for others to motivate you. Stand in front of the mirror every morning and say, "I am proud of myself. I am getting better every day. I can do this." Stay grateful. Every morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for: your family, your health, or simply the fact that you woke up to another chance. Gratitude gives you power and keeps you strong. Stop accepting an average life. You were not born to be ordinary. You were born to shine. Every day, you have a choice: settle for less or demand the best from yourself. Choose discipline over laziness. Choose courage over fear. Choose growth over comfort. The clock is ticking. You do not have forever. One day, you will look back. Make sure you have zero regrets. Why not you? Why can't you be the next big success story? Why can't you change the world? Your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not limit you. Starting today, you can become anyone you decide to be. Take full responsibility for your life. No more blaming others, no more excuses. Just action every single day. Keep working quietly. Let your success make the noise. While others are talking, you'll be building an incredible future. Celebrate every small win. Did you wake up early? Celebrate. Did you finish your tasks? Celebrate. Small wins become big victories.
Right now, take a piece of paper and write. One habit I will stop today. One habit I will start today. One big goal I will achieve this year. You have one life. Don't waste it. Dream the biggest dreams. Work the hardest. Never settle. The world is waiting for your light. I believe in you. Now stand up, take the first step, and go make it happen. You are unstoppable.
So let me leave you with this final picture. Imagine it's 10 years from now. You're standing on a stage, or in front of your beautiful house, or sitting with your happy family on a dream vacation. People are looking at you with admiration. Your parents have tears of pride in their eyes. Someone asks you, "How did you do it? How did you change everything?" And you smile because you remember this exact day. You remember this video. You remember the moment you stopped wishing and started working. You remember the moment you chose to believe in yourself when nobody else did. That moment is right now. This is not the end of the video. This is the beginning of your new life. Close this video, stand up, and take the very first step today, no matter how small. Send that message, open that book, start that workout, write that plan. Do it today. Do it scared, do it tired, but do it. 10 years from now, you will thank yourself for starting today. I'm so proud of the person you're about to become. The world needs your light. Now go out there and shine brighter than ever. You've got this. I believe in you with all my heart. See you at the top. You are unstoppable.